In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage private vulnerability reporting on GitHub efficiently. This feature is crucial for ensuring the security of your repositories and allows your community to report potential security vulnerabilities directly to maintainers and repository owners. To begin, make sure you're on the GitHub dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon, which is your profile icon. Give that a click. Doing so will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select the Settings option. This step will take you to a page where you can manage a variety of account settings, focusing particularly on aspects critical to your coding project's security. When you're on the Settings page, your goal is to locate the Code Security category. This area is where you'll find the controls for how security vulnerabilities are managed in your repositories. Once you see Code Security, go ahead and click on it to be transferred to a new section of GitHub's settings. In this section, keep an eye out for a category labeled Private Vulnerability Reporting. This feature is a valuable tool that offers a substantial level of security. It essentially allows community members who may come across potential issues to report such vulnerabilities in a private manner. This private channel ensures sensitive information about vulnerabilities isn't exposed publicly, which could otherwise lead to potential exploitation before you have the chance to address them. You'll notice an option to either disable or enable this feature entirely on the right side of this section. By selecting Enable All, you are allowing your community members to report these vulnerabilities confidentially. This is especially useful if you're working in an open source setting where many individuals may contribute and notice potential issues that you might have missed. On the other hand, if you find that this does not suit your needs, or if you have an alternative reporting method in place, you can opt to Disable All. Be sure to consider your specific situation and make an informed decision here. Maintaining the security of your repositories is paramount, and this feature ensures that any vulnerabilities can be dealt with in a systematic and confidential manner, ultimately safeguarding your projects and the overall GitHub community. Remember, creating a secure environment not only protects your work, but also builds trust among contributors and users, encouraging more collaborative and innovative projects. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate your GitHub settings to manage private vulnerability reports, ensuring your projects stay secure while fostering a proactive communication channel with your community. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more